Guys, so I'm here today. Oh God, I'm here today to show you how to do a natural rainy day because it's rainy outside. But the natural rainy day look, everyday look. I don't want to be too heavy on my face, so yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. Okay, so first, I've already moisturized my face and put on my eyebrows. And the pencil I use is the Maybelline Master Shape, and it comes with a spoolie on the end. And this is in the color Auburn. I really love this pencil. And I use Kat Von D's concealer to shape them up in medium 26. And I used a MAC 208 angle brush. It's supposed to be for liners, but it cleans up my eyebrows really well, so I really like it.